Thank you. All right. This one's for you guys in the audience. All of you are competing, even the front row. These are very simple. They're called the Who Am I series. Who am I as in not who am I, as in who are they, who I will talk about and give you hints. Very simple, very easy, very basic. Put your hand up and answer and scream it out loud because you don't have a mic. That can stop now, no? No, it's an incessant doorbell now. All right. So my father was one half of a hit story writing team in Bollywood. I made my foray into the industry as a director, but have won accolades for a recent landmark performance in a biopic. Who's got it? Who said first? Was it you? No, that's what I think he said it first. He said it, Farhana. You also said it. I don't know, now Google will decide between you two who won. One of you. All right, okay, we'll give it to the lady. She looks fragile. I might hurt her if I don't give her that hamper. All right, well done. The second one then, very easy again. I became famous in a movie about a man who disappears. Who said Mr. India first? That gentleman there. I mean, that was enough for me. I thought that'd be enough for all of you as well. The rest of the clue is I made the moustache stylish as Lakhan and went on to be a part of an Oscar-winning team. My daughter is known for both her fashion sense as well as her acting. Who am I? No, I know. I was just giving you. I got the point, darling. You won your hamper. Don't now push it. I'll give it away. All right. Okay, there's a third one. Should we play the third one as well, just for fun? All right. I was born in 1970 in New Delhi. It's not me. I'm 72. My father was the former captain of the Indian cricket team, and my mother was an... He said it, but you have that tag, so you don't call it. Who has said... Okay, you got it then. All right. Well done. Saif Ali Khan. We have a third winner. All right, I'm done now. I can't play anymore. We don't have any more hampers. All right, that was fantastic. So our three winners, please stand up so we know who they are. 1 and 2 and you. It was you. Hi, how are you? Good. Good to see you. And so these are our three prolific winners. Well done. That was awful. That was awful, I'm saying. That was awesome. Thank you for being such amazing sports. You guys were amazing and really answered exceptionally well. So now comes the last part of this wonderful afternoon. I'd like to invite Rajan Anandan, Managing Director of Google India. But it's been an amazing afternoon. Got to learn so much about all the amazing things that Google's been up to. Would you like to give us a roundup?
Yeah, no, absolutely. No, I mean, I think, first of all, thank you for being here. You know, talking about searching and information, you know, you are the Google of Bollywood. So I think we should give Karan a big round of applause for being really the Google. You know, we build these great machines that can process, lots and lots of data and actually give you the right answer. It always amazes me how you're able to give the right answer.
Well, yeah.
So thank you for doing that. You know.
Yeah.
Speechless. See.
Yeah,
Sometimes you can actually make a computer not give you the right answer.
Yeah.
But you know, look, it amazes us how passionate Indians are about Indian cinema. And you know what was interesting was yesterday I met a number of content producers or content creators, right, in India, and one of them has set a goal now to get Indian content not just to the 1.2 billion Indians, but to actually 3.5 billion people around the world, so
right.
Which is quite remarkable, right? And it always amazes us how passionate not just Indians are about Indian content, but how the world. I mean, it's amazing to see an Indian living in California actually winning the hamper from you, which is quite remarkable.
No, it's fantastic. In fact, I always say Google is like your mom. It has all the answers, you know. And sometimes answers you may not want to read, but they definitely have the answers, you know. And some harsh realities of your life and career just pop up all the time. So it's really like you don't want to go there, but you have to because it's available to the world. And what's also amazing is that it's your one-stop shop. That's the only way that I can really describe Google. That Google has now also become a part of our daily parlance. You know, it's like almost like hello and good morning and like Google it. It's as simple. So I think that's fantastic that one big brand that becomes a part of your day in an extraordinary way. I think so more power to Google.
Yeah, thank you, Karan. You know, it's been a very exciting hour or so with you. We'd love to get your thoughts on what's been the one aha moment as you've seen Sapna talk about what's happening with the internet. You've seen Satyajit talk about some of the new things we're doing with search when it comes to Indian cinema. What's that one aha moment?
Well, I don't know about one aha, but I love instructing people. So when I love what Satyajit did with the phone, like, you know, just speaking to the phone and instructing and getting what you want. So that was my most aha moment, I think, of the day. Just saying that, hello Google, or like, okay Google, and blah, 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 and you get your information. So that for me was amazing. I think I love that feature. I'm going to start using it ASAP.
So what are you going to ask Google to do?
I don't want to tell you.
Come on, you can tell me.
Don't be silly. You can't ask me those kind of questions. You have no idea what all I'm going to ask.
You do realize Google will know after you ask Google.
It's okay, you know, it's fine. I mean, you know, anyway, there's so much out there that one more piece of like part of your personal life doesn't really matter. No, but like I'm going to ask lots of things because, you know, down to like anything about like trivia that we are always researching. When we make movies, it's all about research. Emotional research, historical research, sometimes just modality research. And I think that, you know, there's no filmmaker, I think, who can function without the functions of Google. So, I mean, thank you.
Absolutely. And so, Karan, you know, from the Google team, we wanted to thank you for being so gracious to join us today. So we wanted to give you our version.
आज बॉलीवुड के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें हुई, जिस तरह का इम्पैक्ट बॉलीवुड गूगल पे है, और बहुत सारे ऐसे सवाल थे और ऐसे फीचर्स थे जिनके बारे में हमने बातें की। उनके हेड्स जो हैं, चाहे वो राजन हो या सपना हो, जो हेड ऑफ मार्केटिंग सत्यजीत हैं, तो उनके साथ बहुत सारी कॉन्वर्सेशंस हुई अबाउट द फीचर्स। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि बॉलीवुड और गूगल का एक नाता डेफिनेटली है। हम सब जैसे हमारे सर्च इंजन्स जो होते हैं बॉलीवुड की ओर जाते हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू गूगल बीइंग सच अ लार्ज प्लेटफॉर्म। तो बहुत सारी एक्साइटिंग चीजें हुई।
करण है, आप जल्दी में है, लेकिन हम लोग डायरेक्टली पूछ लेते हैं। फिल्म उड़ता पंजाब कल रिलीज हो रही है, उसके ऊपर नहीं प्लीज मैडम, उसके ऊपर अपनी राय आप देके जाएं। जी देखिए, लीक हो गई ऑनलाइन, व्हिच इज वेरी बैड फॉर पायरेसी एंड
मैं बस यही कहूंगा कि मैं सबसे ये कहना चाहूंगा, और मेरी ये पर्सनल ये दरखास्त है सबसे, कि वो जो लीकेज हुई है, प्लीज डू नॉट वॉच द फिल्म ऑनलाइन। फिल्म मेकर और जो है तो जो निर्माता निर्देशक होते हैं, बहुत मेहनत, जोश और जुनून के साथ वो अपनी फिल्में बनाते हैं, एंड टू वॉच इट ऑन एनी अदर फॉर्मेट अदर देन द फॉर्मेट दैट इट वाज डिजाइन्ड टू बी इज इनकरेक्ट, इज इलीगल। तो प्लीज आप पिक्चर को सिनेमा हॉल में देखें, कल रिलीज होने वाली है, और प्लीज डू नॉट वॉच इट ऑनलाइन।
करण, आप जाए उससे पहले आपको लगता है इस बार बहुत बड़ी जीत हुई है फिल्म मेकर्स की?
देखिए, ये बहुत सारी चर्चा ऑलरेडी हो चुकी है इस बारे में। बस यही कहूंगा कि जाके उड़ता पंजाब आप जरूर देखिएगा।